Does the good girl want a shower? Stella, you having a good time? Good girl? Are you enjoying your shower? You look so peaceful. Did you have a nice shower? We're all done. You're so spiky.
You're so cute. Mwah. What happened? Oh my goodness. Thank you. One, two, three. What? Petite. Hello. I love you. I love you too. I love you too.
Hello. Peeky, 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 peeky room. Peeky, 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 peeky room. Oh, it's good. I love you. Beep.
Okay, I've got a recipe called Chicken Bombs from food.com. This recipe serves 5 and takes about 45 minutes to make. Does that sound good?
What color? What color is this? Metal. No, what color? It's not even metal, it's made of plastic. What color?
Black.
Yes, color black. Color black. Good boy. All right, 2 more. What's this called?
Cork.
That's right, it's a cork. Good job. All right, 1 more. What's this made of?
Metal.
Yes, good boy. There's a stash.
What's that mean?
Good girl. You look beautiful. Oh, okay.
Did he come in?
Don't touch.
He's going into his house. I don't think he likes it.
Go out. Stop there. Not go. Don't do that.
Or something.
Hey, don't turn up there.
Uh-oh. He's going to scare Kitty if he goes down. Oh, he's gone.
Go out. Come on, out. Go.
Oh, Kitty's not moving. Oh, she's going to be in trouble.
Cairo. When to burn, man. Hey, don't touch.
Oh, Kitty.
Hey,
She's in trouble.
smarten up, man.
Huh?